Welcome to Trumark. Today we will see demonstration of a custom bolt bottle brushing and rinsing machine. The shown machine having component like 4-station timer operated water jet rinser, 4-head brushing machine and 2 numbers of sink tank. Let's see how to operate it. First one need to soak dirty bottles overnight or for few hours. Soaking time depends on how dirty the bottles are. One can choose to soak in soap water or hot water or plain water depending on the application. Soaking process makes the deposited dirt loosen up inside bottles. Once soaking is done, they are ready for brushing. Bottles are brushed manually to scratch and remove the deposited dust. If needed, one can dip the brushed bottle again in soaking water to remove excess dirt and repeat the brushing again. After brushing is done, bottles are being placed in slider tray for rinsing process one by one in inverted position. Rinsing tray have cups to hold bottles properly. The first station or tray is just to hold bottles coming from brushing. Once the tray is filled, one can remove fourth tray and slide rest of tray towards exit to make first station empty, so we can place removed tray again at first station. After the bottle reached second station, which have rinsing facility, operator starts the rinsing process by pressing pump on button. Pump runs for the preset timer to rinse bottles. Same process of sliding tray is repeated to take this tray at third station, and same rinsing above all process in repeated. The machine can be completely customized by making multiple station, multiple soaking tank, hot water supply, water filter or recycle system, UV sterilization or outer wash features. I hope you liked this video. For more such content and for inquiry, please connect with us on mobile number or email it given in video description. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.